So I made this cut recently, and even with the riving knife, the small pieces at the back of the blade were making me nervous. So to keep my forehead safe, I decided to make a Magswitch mounted wedge that would guide small pieces to a safer area. Laying out a workpiece with the holes positioned perfectly for a mag square is always a bit of a trick. So I decided to 3D print a layout card that would let me mark the holes where they needed to be. This worked really well, and the wedge will keep me safe in the future. But it occurred to me that other Magswitch products could benefit from a layout card, like a mag jig that could have one hole in the center for the hole that you drill for the magnet and two more marks for the mounting holes. So if you use the code CARDS at checkout from mag-tools.com, you'll get 11% off, and Magswitch will include a layout card that I 3D printed for the product that you purchase when it ships. All products that this applies to are listed in the description, as well as some other details. Thanks for watching.